Hello, and welcome to Business Ville TV, where we bring you the latest insights and updates on business news and trends. Today, we'll be discussing an important topic that has been making headlines recently: how the United States fell behind in the phone manufacturing space. As we all know, smartphones have become an integral part of our daily lives, and the market for these devices continues to grow. However, the United States has fallen behind in this space, with most of the world's smartphones being manufactured in China and other countries. So what happened? And what can be done to address this issue? In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind the decline of the US phone manufacturing industry and discuss potential solutions to help the country regain its footing in this space. Reasons behind the decline of the US phone manufacturing industry. There are several factors that contributed to the decline of the US phone manufacturing industry. One of the main reasons is the high cost of labor in the United States, compared to countries like China and India, where labor costs are much lower. It's simply not cost-effective for companies to manufacture phones in the US. Another factor is the lack of investment in research and development. Many of the leading phone manufacturers, such as Samsung and Apple, invest heavily in R&D to develop new technologies and improve their products. However, the US has not kept pace in this area, resulting in a lack of innovation in the phone manufacturing industry. Additionally, the regulatory environment in the US has also been a hindrance to the growth of the phone manufacturing industry. The lengthy approval process for new products and technologies, as well as the high costs associated with meeting regulatory requirements, have made it difficult for companies to compete in the market. Potential solutions to revitalize the US phone manufacturing industry. Despite the challenges facing the US phone manufacturing industry, there are potential solutions to help revitalize this sector. One approach is to provide incentives for companies to manufacture their products in the US. This could include tax breaks, grants, or other forms of financial assistance. Another solution is to invest in research and development. The US government could provide funding for R&D initiatives, particularly in areas such as 5G technology and other emerging technologies. This could help spur innovation and give US phone manufacturers a competitive edge in the market. The regulatory environment could also be reformed to make it more favorable to the phone manufacturing industry. This could include streamlining the approval process for new products and technologies and reducing the costs associated with meeting regulatory requirements. Furthermore, partnerships between the government and private sector could be formed to support the development of the US phone manufacturing industry. By working together, these entities could develop strategies and initiatives to promote growth and innovation in this sector. The impact of the decline in US phone manufacturing industry. The decline of the US phone manufacturing industry has had a significant impact on the country's economy and workforce. As the demand for smartphones continues to grow, the loss of this industry has resulted in a decrease in job opportunities and economic growth in the US. Moreover, the decline in the phone manufacturing industry has also impacted the country's national security. With most of the world's smartphones being manufactured in China, the US is becoming increasingly dependent on foreign companies for its technology. This dependence creates a risk of supply chain disruptions and potential security threats. Future outlook for the US phone manufacturing industry. While the decline of the US phone manufacturing industry has been a significant setback, there is still hope for the future. As the demand for smartphones continues to grow, there is an opportunity for the US to regain its footing in this space. Several US companies, such as Motorola and Google, have started to manufacture phones in the US again, albeit on a smaller scale. Additionally, the recent trade tensions between the US and China have created an opportunity for US companies to bring manufacturing back to the US. With the right investments in R&D, regulatory reform, and government support, the US phone manufacturing industry can make a comeback. It will take time and effort, but the potential benefits for the economy, workforce, and national security make it a worthwhile endeavor. The decline of the US phone manufacturing industry has been a significant issue, but there are potential solutions to help the country regain its footing in this space. By providing incentives, investing in R&D, reforming the regulatory environment, and fostering partnerships between the government and private sector, the US can create an environment that is conducive to growth and innovation in the phone manufacturing industry. We encourage you to stay informed and engaged in the latest developments in the phone manufacturing industry and other business sectors. By doing so, you can stay ahead of the curve and make informed decisions that can help your business thrive. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.